Do you want a noodle dish that can impress your dinner guests? A noodle recipe that is easy to prepare, fast to assemble at serving time?
This is Hiong Tai Mai Fan.
If the presentation of this dish doesn't make you a fan, the taste will. Tender, flavorful seafood and vegetable stir-fry is served on beds of crispy noodle nests. Let's not confuse our noodle bird nest with the other bird nest. The other bird nest uses really expensive bird nests to make the soup. Our version is the cheap one, which uses cheap rice vermicelli to make the nest. Here we are at Runway Café, which serves Hiong Tai Mai Fan or deep-fried rice noodles. We are here to get our inspiration. Look at that! So huge! Not only is this dish beautiful, but it is extremely fun to eat. Enough to feed 2 persons. You can just crack right into it and you can hear the crunch. This is what I love about it.
Dip in the sauce and chom it. Yummy!
Our bird nest noodle will not be this big though. We prefer ours to be a little smaller than this. Let's start by soaking our rice noodle in water for 5 minutes. You can also use fresh egg noodles to make your nest, as we have made before. Click the link above if you want to check it out. Heat up your wok with hot oil enough to submerge the noodles. We will show you 2 ways how we create our rice noodle nest. The first is to place the noodles in between 2 colander or kitchen sieves. This will help to give the noodle the bird nest shape. About less than 1 minute, flip it gently onto the other side. It is ready when the noodles turn slightly brown. Lift it up, drain out the oil. The second way is placing a muffin cup in between the noodles. This will create a hole in the center of the nest. Trying to make sure the muffin cup stays in between can be a little tricky. Honestly, I prefer the first way, which is easier, but having this hole in the center of the nest can look presentable too.
Keep your eye on them. This noodle burn easily if you left too long in the hot oil.
It is time to make the seafood topping. You can use other type of meats and vegetables depending on your choice. Let's prepare the sauce. 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of tomato chili sauce, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 chicken stock cube, 100 ml of water. Stir until all are mixed. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to your pot. Fry 3 garlic, 2 shallots. Add the seafood in. Pour in 250 ml of water. Cover and bring to boil. Use a spoon to skim off the scum. Add in the sauce. Then throw in your vegetables. Add the cornstarch slurry mixture little by little, stirring constantly to your preferred consistency.
Should be a little on the thick side.
Now it's time to assemble our impressive fried noodle Hiong Tai Mai Fan. The deep-fried rice noodle will stay crispy for long hours. The topping can be made earlier and reheated just before serving. To us, this noodle dish makes the best dish at any party. It never fails to impress your dinner guests.
Leave a comment below if you like this recipe. Thanks for watching!